Why do you say that? You had a hysterectomy? What is that? What's a hysterectomy? What is that? They took your female parts? Trans. Nice. His hysterectomy. Okay. So, are you not able to get pregnant now? You can. Aw, man. Hold on. Do you have one arm? Who is this doctor? I want to believe he's the one that got your lady parts out and you were like, ah! No fucking way! The nub of love. Gross. Not relatable with the boys at all. You ever just be shoulder deep